Hi, my name is Alia. I'm Uyghur. Some people call it Uyghur, some people call it Uyghur or 维吾尔族. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we Uyghur people, especially Uyghur women, make hand-pulled noodle at home. And it's called Laghman. Let's begin. For this recipe, you will need white flour, lamb, 3 fresh tomatoes, 3 dry tomatoes, 1 white onion, half bowl of garlic, ginger, 1 hot red chili pepper, 1 red sweet pepper, 2 milled pepper, and 13 Asian yard long bean, and scallion, cumin, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and white pepper. Exactly how much I will put it in the description. First of all, we are going to begin with the dough. For dough, you will need white flour, salt, and cold water. When you put in the water, it's very important that you put it in little by little. The moisture of the dough is dependent on the room temperature. If it's very hot in the summer, you will need more water than I told you in the description. Each time after you knead the dough on the one side, turn it around, roll it, and continue with kneading. When you don't see the dry flour anymore and the dough feels smooth, it's ready to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to wash the vegetables and cut the lamb. I would like to cut the Asian yard long bean into long sections and the peppers into big sections. Cut the ginger, garlic, and the scallion in very small pieces. Oh no, I almost forget an important ingredient, dry tomatoes. Soak the tomatoes in the boiled water. It smells like home. By that time, lubricate the plate and the table with oil. After about 50 minutes, the dough looks even and it's ready to go. Put the dough on the table, cut it evenly in 3 sections. Pick the first section. Keep gently massaging the dough a little bit, make it longer. Lubricate it with oil. Now, grab one section of the dough, put it on the table. First, press the dough with the palm of your hands. Then, roll it gently on the table while your hands are moving to the side. It transforms into a rope. Keep the rope even, smooth, and a little bit thinner than your forefinger. You also do this with one hand. Roll rope into a circle. Start from the center of the plate. Keep going with the next sections and continue with the last circle. Lubricate the circle ropes with oil. And cover it with plastic foil to prevent the dough from drying out. As you can see, I already cut the vegetables. This is olive oil, herbs, chili sauce. I will tell you about this chili sauce recipe in the next video. And don't forget to chop up the dry tomatoes. Put the oil in the pan. When it's hot enough, you will notice light smoke. Hot oil is important for the lamb so it gets the golden brown color and it gets that grilled taste. Now put the ginger, garlic, dry tomatoes and hot red chili pepper into the pan. Fry them about a minute. Next are onions and fresh tomatoes. Mix them. The next step is your long bean and fresh peppers. Add the herbs such as salt, cumin, white pepper and black pepper. When it's well mixed, put the cold water into it and change fire to the smallest so it keeps warm. For the noodles, make sure you have ready boiled water, cold water and a strainer. Now pick the beginning of the circle rope. As you can see, I stretch the noodle very carefully and continuously. In the beginning, we are doing this with one rope. Just enjoy and keep focus. It's time for the last step of the noodle. Pick the beginning of the rope, hold it between your thumb and forefinger. In this case, I put my left hand under the noodle, so it comes on the top of my left hand. As you can see, I keep my hands at the same distance continuously. Now, I slightly grab the rope with my right hand and I rotate my hand so it comes on the top of my right hand. Keep going like this. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Keep the distance between your hands the same throughout the whole process. Keep calm and keep going. When you reach the end, put it between your thumb and the forefinger. If this step goes well, you can begin with 2 ropes. It's very common in Uyghur family that all mothers can make Laghman and they roll 3 or 4 noodles at the same time. They are noodle masters. Now it's time to hit the table, make them dance. Put the noodle in the boiled water. The first time, when it's boiled, put a little bit of cold water. Repeat this 2 times. If the noodle is thin enough, it's ready the 3rd time the water boils. Put it in the cold water. Now, it's finished. It's a tradition that we serve a Laghman with a boiled noodle water. It's called shorpa, means soup. Thank you so much for watching this video. It looks maybe a little bit difficult the first time, but if you try it, you will see the dancing noodle. And don't forget to try Laghman soup. See you next time. Bye! Ooh.